Unlock the power of your State Farm insurance, right from your pocket, with this simple app setup guide. First, let's get the State Farm app onto your device. Open your smartphone's App Store. That's the Apple App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Androids. In the search bar, type in State Farm and hit search. You'll see the official State Farm app. Tap on it, and then tap the Install or Get button. The app will download and install automatically. Once it's finished, tap Open to launch the State Farm app. Now, on the welcome screen, you'll see options to log in or sign up. If you're a new user, tap Sign Up. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, email address, and create a secure password. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your account creation. Once your account is set up, the app will likely ask you to link your existing State Farm policies. This is crucial for accessing your coverage details. You might need to enter your policy number, which you can find on your insurance card or policy documents. Input this information accurately, and just like that, your policies are linked. You'll now see a dashboard with easy access to your insurance cards, policy documents, and more. Let's personalize your experience. Tap on the menu or settings icon, usually found at the top or bottom of the screen. Here, you can customize your notification preferences, update your contact information, and even set up biometric login for quicker access. With the State Farm app set up, managing your insurance is simpler than ever, giving you peace of mind and convenient access wherever you go.